Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with me, and as a lot of you know, we were going to Fort Worth, Texas last week to the Made It Con put on by May and her crew, and we got in some collections while we were gone, and I wanted to show those to you. This one is 49 in Market, and it's called Tattered Garden, and the picture on this does not do this paper justice. This is absolutely beautiful. So if you flip this over on this side, you have a sheet. So nothing is wasted in this. And look at this, how antique that looks. Isn't that pretty? I love it. And this paper, you can hear it's a very good quality. So then this one, I'm telling you, the photo on the outside of this does not do this paper justice. And there's the back side. Isn't that pretty with those branches on there? And then this one. And there's the back side. This with the clock I love. They're so thick they feel like two sheets. I keep trying to separate them. There's the back side. This would make a gorgeous mini album. I need more hours in a day so that I can do all the mini albums I want to do. And then there's the back side. And there's that one. The back side. This one. It's got the writing in the background. Isn't that pretty? There's the back side of that one. This is gorgeous. I have to hold it up where you can kind of see. Look at that. It looks like somebody laid a leaf down there and just got the imprint of it with the paint. And then that one. This one. And there's the back side. Isn't that pretty? And then look at these. So these are the little punch outs. And some of the pieces look like they're missing, but that's just the negative part. Don't worry. All of the good pieces are still here. And even the negative parts is going to be in the pack somewhere. But all of these are little punch outs that you can punch out and use on your projects, as you can see. So those are gorgeous. Look at that horse. So those, lay that down real carefully. And then this, you can use this cutout sheet or whatever. I love this bottom part. That's pretty. And then there's the back side. So that again is the 49 in Market Tattered Garden. And you get 8 collection sheets, one of each double-sided pattern paper, plus one laser cut shape sheet and one easy cut journaling sheet. Extra bonus on the back side of the cover, which I showed you. So again, 49 in Market Tattered Garden. I'll have that link directly to this collection below. We also got in, let me get everything over here. If you're looking for a good Father's Day paper or just a boy paper, this is absolutely for you. This one is from Bella Boulevard, and it's Dad Style. Dad Style. Now, on the back of this, they're giving you a bonus sheet too. I think everybody has started doing that just to keep from wasting it. I like it. Then you have the shoes. Antique looking shoes. And then there's the back. It's really a good, I think you get 2 of each. Let's see, yeah. It's really a good Father's Day or just a young man, young boy, whatever, paper. There's the back side. Lots of browns, tans. Handsome moments, Dad, remember. Head of the family. And then there's the back side. I know everybody tells me it's so hard to find paper for men. Well, here it is. There's the clocks and the watches. And there's the back side. that one. And the back side, and that I really like that. And then you have the cutout sheets and the back side. So you could use one to cut out and then one to use the back side of, so that's good. And then you have a 6x12 sticker sheet, and this has got all sorts of stickers on here. I'm sorry about the glare, I'm trying to keep it off. So is that not great? Love that. And then the ephemera, we've got the ephemera packs, and this is what is in the ephemera pack. And let's see if it tells how many pieces. No, I don't think it tells. I don't think it tells how many pieces, but you know there's always a ton in here. I always have lots of these left over. So again, that is from Bella Boulevard. It is called Dad Style. And that's the collection pack, and then the ephemera. And then we have one for Mom as well. This one's called Mom Life, and it's from Bella Boulevard as well. You get a sheet on the back, so you're not going to waste that cover sheet. So you get that. And then you get 2 of each sheet, just like before. This is like the diamonds. Oops. I got picked up 3 instead of 2. Yeah, there's the back side. Really good for Mother's Day, and that's coming up shortly. And there's the back side. And the succulents, which are so popular this year. So there's that. And there's the back side. This one is pretty. A pretty card, parts of it. There's the back side. And then those. Let's see if I skip. No, I didn't skip one. And the back side. And then you have your cutouts. And then the back side of that. And then of course you have your ephemera. And there's what is in the ephemera packs. Look at that car. And the purse. I like that teal purse. I need to find one like that. I like that. So there is that. Again, that is from Bella Boulevard. And it is called Mom Style. So we got that. Oh, the sticker sheet. This is the sticker sheet that goes with this collection. It comes in your collection pack. There you go. Alright guys, that is just a few of the things that we got in while we were gone. I will be showing you some more soon. But remember, all the links directly to these collections will be below. And we'll talk to you guys later. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.